And here it is, the Jelly Wobble Saw. Watch this blade breathe back and forth. One smooth pass, and another. Precision jiggle, folks. A perfect cube every time. Oh, it has a mind of its own.
Introducing the Potato Telescope. Science in your own kitchen. Its precision optics probe the surface of every spud, reading moisture, starch, and condition with military accuracy. When it finds perfection, it tells you. Well, almost.
Lunch is served, neatly nailed and ready for butter. Isn't that a sight?
Music to your mouth.